Oh, so not a camera, it's a recorder.
It just records.
That's dumb. How long can it record?
It's not dumb. It records for 2 hours.
What do you do with it? Put it on MySpace?
YouTube. Anything that you can put videos on.
That's nice.
Yes. That's what I wanted. Me and TJ starting our own YouTube show.
I hope it's gonna be funny.
Well, me and TJ right now.
Don't try to record me. You gotta ask my permission for
You don't want to press record, but
I want to take a picture of you.
what?
Huh? I ain't watching no makeup ball. I'm sleepy.
Where you going?
Say hey to the camera, Darius.
What we doing tomorrow?
Working out.
Working out. Not I said
You gonna perform for the camera?
I'm gonna get that pea patch cut off. On the back of that head.
He's got video finally.
It's real nappy.
It's that nappy. Then they get their
Hey,
first.
Darius.
Daddy gonna do it.
Hey, don't fall off this bed, because I get that on camera too. And they think it'll be child abuse.
Sit down.
Unfit mother.
He's gonna go to sleep. So Vaughn and E facing is sleepy.
Okay, enough recording. Somebody is rushing me.